you desire to experience weightlessness without venturing into space, then a flight on the EEL-76 MDK is ideal for you. Thanks to a unique flight path, you will periodically feel weightless in this aircraft. Simply put, the plane follows a parabolic route, and weightlessness kicks in as you pass over the top. It lasts about 30 seconds and occurs 10 to 15 times during a flight. The coolest aspect is that there's ample space in the aircraft, even for a concert or a party. The only requirement is money, as a ticket for this unusual flight costs around $5,400. However, this price covers training, a health checkup, and a certificate. Do you recognize London landmarks like Big Ben and Buckingham Palace? Probably not 221B Baker Street. I also doubt you're aware of the AERODIUM PERYTON, despite it being the world's largest open-air wind tunnel. Interestingly, it was constructed for filming Mission Impossible, Fallout, and facilitates group skydiving training. The 5X3 5M space accommodates 8 people simultaneously. Beginners are advised to start with short 2 to 3 minute flights, with an instructor always nearby for safety. A visit to the Swedish city of Gothenburg will inject excitement into your life. Among its attractions, it is renowned for hosting one of Europe's top 3 drop towers. The concept is straightforward. Thrill seekers ascend to a height of 100 meters before experiencing a thrilling descent. This maneuver induces overloads of up to 4G, reaching a descent speed of approximately 109 km. Interestingly, the tower initially served as an observation point, and to this day, it provides a picturesque view. Just be sure the fear of the drop doesn't cause you to overlook the stunning scenery. John Force Racing is not merely a team. It stands as a complete sporting dynasty, boasting 22 National Hot Rod Association championships and multiple victories in professional events. It serves as a powerhouse, and the cool factor intensifies when a father-daughter duo clinches a race. The pilots at John Force Racing maneuver genuine monsters. Dragsters equipped with engines delivering over 11,000 horsepower. This is standard for them, and at times it goes beyond driving. It's akin to practically flying at speeds around 531 kilometers per hour. Notably, a dragster consumes about 23 liters of fuel during a typical quarter-mile drag run. The GG Festival, an annual event in the United States, provides abundant entertainment. One of its key highlights is the opportunity to walk and perform stunts over 122m high canyons. The festival showcases activities such as base jumping, parkour, and swings. Additionally, attendees can enjoy workshops, DJ sets, and concerts to ensure continuous entertainment. Comment below to share your thoughts on the video and subscribe for future updates.